factors in business through technological advancements like business intelligence, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. The ICT plays a crucial role in business by facilitating planning, decision-making, administration, and control. For solving crimes, law enforcement personnel can profit from cutting-edge technology as they investigate criminal activity and carry out justice, just as modern offenders can use it to commit complex crimes and avoid detection. One well-known is incredibly successful application is forensic science. In education, it helps filling the knowledge gap between theory and practical application. Many students can study and apply concepts in the real-world situations through simulation, virtual laboratory, and interactive multimedia contents. It also improves their critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Healthcare, it is effective in patient data storage, sharing, and management are now possible well thanks to ICT. Additionally, it has improved patient and healthcare provider communication. It has also contributed to the decrease in healthcare delivery costs. So, reuse and improve in digital development. We use this because we avoid expensive duplication and fragmentation by pooling our resources and expertise by sharing. Reusing and improving current initiatives, this results in more efficient services for customers. This can be applied to technological services, goods, studies, and regulations. Hard disk drives in storage array are managed by a device called a RAID controller, representing collection of disks. As logical units, it can be used as a layer of abstraction between the operating system and physical disk. A controller helps safeguard data in the event of crash and enhance performance.